Hey everybody, Enrique here with Enrique's Home Buyer Channel, and today we are going to talk about home insurance. Welcome back. I'm glad you're here, and I'm glad you're here to learn about how to buy a home and how to be a better home buyer. We have a lot of information, so don't forget, check out our other videos, subscribe. But today I want to talk to you about home insurance. A lot of people are very confused about this. They say, well, is the lender going to sell me the home insurance when I buy a house? How much of an insurance do I need to get? How much is that going to cost me? Can I shop around? Am I obligated to use a company or the other? So let's break down the process. The first thing you need to understand is that if you are purchasing a home and you're financing that home, that means if you're getting a loan, you're going to need home insurance. The bank is not going to let you get the keys of the house without home insurance. It's going to cover things such as fire and theft and vandalism and liability and a lot of different things that can happen to a house. If a tree falls down on the house, insurance covers it. If somebody breaks in and steals your stuff, the insurance is going to cover it. There's a fire, same thing. Now, are all insurances the same? Absolutely not. There are insurances, just like anything else, that cover more things than others. And there are certain minimum standards that are required. So when you are shopping around for home insurance, one of the things that you want to talk to your insurance agent is, hey, what is the minimum requirement? And is there anything else that I need to purchase that is above and beyond the minimum requirement? I have people who get extra policies because they have maybe more jewelry, or they have guns in the house. Maybe they have a pool that they want, make sure they have extra liability insurance. Those things are all important. If you have an alarm, or depending on the location of the house, the cost is going to go up and down. Now, chances are that if you're applying for a loan, your lender is going to get one or two quotes. That's customary. They're going to get a quote and they're going to say, hey, here's the insurance we found for you. Now, we lenders, we do that out of convenience. We want to show you how much companies charge. That doesn't mean you have to use that company, and you're not obligated. What we always recommend people is take our quote and go out and shop around. Find out who has your vehicle insurance. Maybe they can bundle you. Maybe if you are part of an organization that offers a discount like AARP, you can get a better deal. So you should always get more than one quote, and you should always discuss the coverage with the insurance agent. Don't just take the policy, but ask them, hey, what does this cover? What happens if there's a fire? Does it cover this or that? For example, I have a home in California. It's my second home, and I keep two bikes there, right? And the bikes are expensive. There's those electric bikes. I wanted to make sure that the insurance was going to cover those bikes in case they got stolen. And it turns out it didn't. I have to pay an extra rider for that, right? So that worked out well because I asked. So always check, always find out, what is my policy going to cover? Remember, number one, shop around. Number two, not all insurances are the same. And number three, you're not required to use the insurance that your lender is recommending. That information is important. Again, don't forget to go check out my other videos. Let us know if you have any questions. I hope you have a phenomenal day. Talk to you soon.